In this video, I am going to demonstrate how you can link two Boolean expressions together to make a larger Boolean expressions. And I'm going to use a username password check as an example. So I'm going to say new class here, Boolean demo. And we'll go in here and highlight everything, delete it. Public class Boolean demo, 1, 2, 3. End class Boolean demo. And create my main, public static void main string args 1, 2, 3 and method main. Okay, so I'm going to create two strings, a username and password, and then I'm going to check them to see if they're correct, and if we are correct, if they match, we'll log in. Do a little simple login type thing. So I'll just string username equals new string Michael string password. Now we'll use an integer just to show you they're in a mix. Password equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Not a good password again, but we'll use that. We'll say if. Now in order to log in, both our username and password have to match. So I'm going to say if username, remember there's a string, dot equals Michael, and requires that both of these match. Password equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice how you use double equal sign here for an integer or a primitive, and dot equals for a string. If they both match, 1, 2, 3, and if, I'll say system.out.println login successful. Okay, so this right here is an AND statement, and it requires that both these match. Both these Boolean expressions, this one and this one, are true. And if they're both true, then the whole expression is true. Everything in the parentheses is true, and therefore this line will execute. So let's close it, compile it, and let's try it out here. And login is successful because the username and password match. Now if I change just one thing, I might just change that an L, let's say, and compile. This does not match, but this does. Okay, so let's see what happens. See if it logs us in, and nothing happens because they both need to match. Go back in, let's change up the L here, and take out, let's say, 2, 3 there. Save it, compile it. Again, nothing happens because they both need to match. And if I go ahead and type in the correct password, so they both match again, I think everything's good. Compile, and there it is. So that's a demonstration of how to link together two Boolean expressions and to create a larger one. There's another variation or another option you can use. There's the and there's also the or, where either one can be true, and if either one's true, then we'll go to match. And here I'll actually demonstrate that. You wouldn't want to do this for a username and password thing, but I'll take out that. So the username matches, the password doesn't, but because it's an or, just one of them have to match, and we should be successful here. Compile, and yeah, login successful. Obviously that's not what you want to do, you want and there. But that's just the demonstration of how OR works. So demonstration of how to link together two or more Boolean expressions, and I have two here, and if you wanted to attach on 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 different criteria, you can.